too big.
He's too big?
Not too big.
He's not too big. I think that chair's just right.
No.
I think you should let him have it. See, that chair's for Alyssa now. That chair's just right. You have a chair and he has a chair. Right, baby? Yeah, that's right.
No. No. No.
Yes, yes.
No. Too big. Too big.
He's not too big. You're too big. Oh, her chair's too big now? Lovely. She'll learn to share, baby.
White. White. White.